Welcome to this beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that's perfectly positioned on the highly desirable Tri-Lakes chain. Step inside and you'll be greeted by modern touches throughout an open concept floor plan that maximizes natural light and offers stunning, unobstructed lake views. Whether you're in the living room or the kitchen, the lake is always in sight. Entertain on the spacious deck, accessible from both the living room and the primary bedroom, or simply enjoy the tranquility of the lake. The primary bedroom ensuite is a sanctuary of comfort, featuring a cozy fireplace surrounded by built-in shelves and storage. The lower level offers a cozy family room with another fireplace and a separate office, perfect for remote work or relaxation. Parking won't be an issue here. A detached 2-car garage and a large shed provide ample storage for all your lake toys. And there's plenty of space for your guests. Whether you're looking for a summer getaway or a permanent move, this round lake gem is the perfect place to call home. Call Tina Baxter for more information on this amazing property.